Ever wished you could multiply your winning UGC video ad campaigns with a fraction of the effort? Today, we're diving deep into a powerful AI technique that lets you do just that, duplicating and adapting your user-generated content video ads for maximum impact. This isn't magic. It's smart technology streamlining your creative process. The core concept is using AI to analyze the elements that made your original UGC ad successful. Think about the visual hooks, the key messaging, the emotional tone, and even the pacing. First, upload your successful UGC video ad into your chosen AI content creation platform. The AI will then systematically break down the video into its constituent parts. It analyzes the visual style, the background music, the on-screen text, and even the sentiment and energy of the presenter. You can then instruct the AI to replicate these core elements. But here's where it gets powerful: adaptation. You can easily tweak certain parameters to test a different call to action. Change the background music to a more upbeat track, or even adapt the ad for a slightly different demographic. The AI can then generate entirely new versions of your ad, maintaining brand consistency while exploring new angles. Imagine producing multiple variations for A/B testing without recording a single new frame. This allows for rapid A/B testing across platforms, identifying winning formulas at an unprecedented speed. This means more optimized campaigns, better engagement, and ultimately, a higher return on your ad spend. So, get ready to supercharge your content creation and dominate your advertising with the power of AI duplication.